What's up guys, Johnny here, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly what Polygon Crypto is, my holdings in Polygon Crypto, and how they're up 60% in the last month, my predictions for this stock, and how much I've made total since investing. And it all starts right now. So guys, if you're not sure what Polygon Crypto is, or Matic, basically Polygon Matic is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Now Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are polygons that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. So for example, picture this. Polygon is like an express train on a subway. It travels along the exact same route as the regular train, which is Ethereum. But Polygon makes fewer stops and moves faster. That's kind of like the analogy behind it. Now, pretty amazing, because to keep in mind that Polygon network allows you to do many of the same things that the main Ethereum network allows, but with fees that are often a fraction of a cent. You can try decentralized exchanges like QuickSwap or SushiSwap that yield generating lending and saving protocols like Avi, NFT markets like OpenSea, or even no loss prize games like Pool Together. Now what's cool about it is Polygon network, you'll need some crypto to be capable of using it, such as Coinbase. That's why I like Coinbase so much, because it's like the bridge for some other cryptos. Now stable coins are popular choice for this to the Polygon network. You'll also need to bridge some Matic to make transactions, but even $1 worth is plenty because fees are so low. So I have invested in Polygon Matic, and I right now have 54 coins at $50.65, but I bought them for a price of 43 cents back on June 15th. So June 15th, I bought it for 43 cents, total spending of $25, but with an actual amount of $23.51, right? Because they have to take a fee. So I bought 54 of these coins for 43 cents, and I can now trade or sell 54 of these coins for $50. So I actually made 100% of my investment back within 30 days. Now, I do believe, because Polygon has a market cap of 7.5 billion and it has 8 billion, or 80% of its total supply in circulation, a volume of 469 million in 24 hours, which is actually up 26%, is a good indication that people are actually buying a lot of this stock. Popularity right now is number 12 out of hundreds of cryptocurrency coins. Typical hold time is about 105 days, and as you can see, the trading activity is 86% buy, only 14% are selling right now. And that is because I believe they've had some huge gains in the last month. There's some news right here. I'll bring it up right now. Basically stating that Polygon makes the right noise. Matic seems to be reaping rewards from Polygon's expansion plan and partnership announcements. The scaling system earmarks $20 million to help projects migrating to its platform from the Terra blockchain. Disney, or ticker symbol DIS, said earlier this month that Polygon was one of the 6 companies selected for a business development accelerator program. Furthermore, Polygon said it was building a Zeek EVM, or zero knowledge system, in a bid to slash transaction fees by 90% in comparison with Ethereum. Now, Polygon facilitates faster and cheaper transactions by running sidechains or tangential networks alongside the main Ethereum blockchain. Scaling refers to the increasing the system's throughput as measured by transactions per second. Now, Matic neared $1 earlier this week on Friday, which was the highest since May 9th. Now, we come back over to here, and as you can see, in a month, it's gone up 63%. In a year, it's actually down from its high point of $2.92. And all in all, you could have bought this company for as low as even 1 penny or 2 pennies. And as such, seen some really high markers, $2.20, May 26th, 2021. And then it had a huge price target of $2.92, December 26th, 2021. Since then, it has gone down significantly, but as you can see here, people's made 27,000% profit if you were to buy at the 1 cent mark, which is pretty amazing. This is another reason why I think getting into crypto is so great. There's opportunities to buy in very low and to get profits very high. Now, the same thing could happen if you bought up here at the $2.92 mark, believing it was going to go up to $5 or $10, and then it crashed and went down to 93 cents. You are definitely would be holding the bag at this point. But with some research and some just, small things that I've been able to do on my part, I've been able to see a potential that it was going up. And even if it went down from the 43 cent mark that I bought it in June, then, even if it went down to 30 cents, I would still hold and buy more. This is a great way to double your money. I believe that it has a potential to probably get back up to the, maybe even the $1.50, something mark right here. I wish I could draw on this compared to Webull, but I can't. But even the $1.50 range would seem to be fair. And moving forward, I believe it has the potential to go up to that. Well, guys, I haven't done a video in a while, so if you guys enjoyed this video, smash the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you, and you guys have a great day.